welcome to another sensory recipe video. Each week I take a different recipe from my Sensory Recipes ebook to test out. Today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade finger paint. Let's get started. First, add 2 tablespoons of salt and 4½ cups of water. And bring your saucepan over to the hob. Use a medium heat for this one. Then add 2 cups of flour slowly as it heats. Use a whisk to make sure there are no lumps. Once it starts to thicken, turn the heat down to low and continue to whisk until the consistency is right. Have lots of patience with this. It might take 10 to 15 minutes of stirring. But now my mixture is nice and thick and perfect for storing. And store in a container until cool. As you can see, the recipe makes quite a lot of mixture, absolutely enough for a whole class. I like to use a baking tray for mine. Put the finger paint mixture in each circle. And then you can stir in your colours. Remember to wash your teaspoon between every mix. And there we have it, taste safe finger paint, perfect for paper or even bath time. If you would like access to loads of sensory recipes just like this one, then the link will be in the description.